Alright, talking about some clearance, check this out. 4-burner gas grill, angle grinder. Got the buy more, save more. We got 4th of July savings at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. June 20th all the way to July the 10th, while supplies last. Alright, so to start here, we got a folding step stool, $11.88. We got this pressure washer. I own one of these, the older version of it. It works really well. Washing vehicles, smaller jobs. $99. That's a really good deal on this one. $199 for this one. 2000 PSI. So it's a little bigger unit. $199 for the next grill. It's a 4-burner gas grill. A pretty nice grill for the money. So that's what it looks like. Pretty nice grill, down from $249. It is a 4-burner. So, all right, here's a Weber Jumbo Joe, $99, $99.98. I do prefer this style because I like the taste of the material used to cook. 1988 for these. These are really nice to use. I personally do have some of those. Alright, so they got the buy more, save more. This is a really, really good deal if you're planning to mix and match. Especially you're going to hit that upper tier, the $175 upper tier with the 550, worth up to 550, and get that 175 off, and so forth. There's a whole bunch of tools you guys could choose from. $199. This is the 4th of July savings. Brushless 16-inch string trimmer with quick clock. And then we got the clearance section here. Got a 5-gallon smart control gas can, $24.97. It is just plastic, just the old-fashioned 5-gallon. We got the long gloves here. These are $354, down from $698. $299 for the 22-inch vertical storage shed. That's pretty nice. Saves some space, especially if you need a lot of space you can get, right? And then if you don't want to save so much space, you guys could buy this one. This one's on clearance, $100 off, down from $199. That's a really good deal on that one. And then again, this is the pressure washer that we saw over there. It's still a pretty good deal for smaller jobs. And then here's $949 for this Champion Dual Fuel. It's a 6250. Make sure you guys double check on these prices with an associate. They might be a lower. Yes, they do have the buy more, save more. If you buy that $299, you're gonna get that $450 off. That's a really, really good deal. Especially if you're buying, spending just about that $29.99. And then there's different ones here. Vacuums. You got the wind tunnel. You got the rotator swivel. Weird names that they put on there. Alright, so $269 for this kit. And then they got the smaller kit for $219. And then that bigger kit for $269 there. So 6-gallon with the 3-tool combo kit. Alright, so this one's a brushless angle grinder from the Flex Bolt Advantage. So this one's on the clearance section. And then they got this 2.5 siding nailer. I got the power stack for $91, up from $129. They got some nails or staples for $30, down from $32. Then a hammer drill for $179. A nail. So a nailer there at the right. And then they still got these. These are pretty good deals as well if you guys want to stock up on those batteries, especially those 12-amp batteries. The vacuum and the Raider, pretty good deal. You buy 2 of those, get the free starter kit. And then these are pretty good. My favorite is probably going to be that miter saw for $549. That is the kit, guys. That is the kit. Definitely a kit. But this is the kit that they have on sale for that 4th of July savings. It is $399. It is a 4-tool combo kit. They are brushless tools. They are considered the compact series of the brushless. $140 for this one, down from $199 for the atomic drill driver and reciprocating saw. And then they got this one. This is a Shockwave with the pack out 70 piece for $49.88. You got some 3-inch bits there, magnetic sleeve, some 1-inch bits, and some nut drivers there to the left. So pretty nice, pretty solid kit. And then we got some reciprocating saw blades, $24.97 for a 13 piece. Does come with a nice holder and some longer blades. $10.97 for these blades. These are 50 pack. Got an 8-piece hole dozer hole saw kit. $19.88 for this 3-piece or 3-speed fan personal. Now that the heat's here, you want that for the shop. 30 piece plus the right angle adapter. And you got this 45 piece for $26. I really like that extension there to the left. Pretty big extension. You can hardly see those. They're very rare. Alright, so they got $229 for the rocket light. And if you buy 2 of the bottom ones, you can get 2 for $99. So those are pretty good deals. 600 lumen USB hard hat lights. 550 lumen USB pivoting floodlights. Alright, we got some new lower prices, or I don't know if this is actually the clearance. But yeah, they got new lower prices on these. Auto Diablo blades and all that stuff, discs. You got that turbo blades for $16. Was $19.88. Same thing with those oscillating blades, and then you got the sanding net, the 5-inch, $16 down from $19.88. Those are pretty good deals. Make sure you guys stock up on those. It's a good discount. Talking about discount, guys, I just posted this about a day ago that this was online for $159 with a hack. So with a free tool, $159. So make sure you guys double check the website, the HomeDepot.com. See if they're still active, because sometimes they'll run out and then they'll repost it again. So definitely check it. I know somebody said, commented on my video that it was sold out, but yeah, they tend to do that. They tend to bring it down, and then they tend to bring some more up. So all these are available with free with that kit. These are still pretty solid deals, even at the $199. Especially this one, guys. This one was the killer deal, especially with that $159. I believe it dropped it to like $84 or something like that. That was really good deal. Alright, so we got the buy one get one free with this. This is the $99 deal. You buy this and get a free tool. All the tools on the top, including these. These are probably going to be the best bang for your buck. The jigsaw, oscillating tool, and all those. Alright, 4th of July savings. They got this one for $109. 18 gauge brad nailer. And then you got the 16 gauge nailer there. Alright, so buy one get one free. You buy any of the starter kits or one of the starter kits and you get a free tool. Circular saw impact wrench. That is a 4-mode mid-torque impact wrench. Reciprocating saw or that 6-amp-hour battery. Plus you got some really good deals here on the right. These are impact driver and drill driver combos, different tiers. Alright, talking about some clearance, check this out. This one's $249 or $245, down from $349 for the rear handle kits. And then $99 down from $139 for this cock gun. And you got an Octane compact router. This one's $61, down from $169. That's a really good deal on that one. Guys, just a short video for today. Let us know down in the comment section if you guys seen any of those crazy prices. Especially for that $159. Did you get that one? Did you know about it? Let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.